Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Today we're going to do a test shot on Rancilio Epoca. We replaced some of the panels and this machine is working really good. So we're going to go ahead and do a test shot. It's fresh coffee, so it's a little tight, but look, we got some nice crema coming up, really nice flow. And I'll just cut this shot a little short. Some nice strong steam. There we go. Shuts right off. Here's the hot water. Works great. You can hear the machine asking for water to replenish the tank. Anyway, there you have it. Thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machine. Please like this video, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page. Thank you.